What is the difference between a LAN, a WAN, and a subnet? In this video, we will break down each of these networking concepts clearly and simply. A network is simply computers connected to each other to exchange information. Even connecting just two computers together forms the most basic network possible. LAN. When computers are connected within a limited area like a home, an office, or a school, that is called a LAN, which stands for local area network. In a LAN, devices are typically connected through a central switch, which allows all the computers on that network to communicate with each other. For the computers in a LAN to access the internet, they need a gateway, usually a modem and router combination. The gateway acts as the door between your local private network and the outside world. WAN. The internet itself is an example of a WAN or wide area network. A WAN connects multiple LANs together across large geographic distances, across cities, countries, and even the entire globe. Your home LAN connects to the internet through your gateway, making it part of this massive worldwide WAN. Now, within a LAN, you can create smaller logical divisions called subnets, short for subnetworks. A subnet is simply a portion of a larger network that has been segmented into its own smaller network. The key device that separates networks and subnets is the router. While a switch connects devices within the same network, a router connects different networks or subnets together and controls traffic between them. So you can have multiple subnets within a single LAN, each separated by routers. Devices within the same subnet communicate directly through a switch to communicate with a device on a different subnet. Traffic must pass through a router. There are three main reasons to create subnets. First, manageability. By breaking a large network into smaller groups, it becomes far easier to organize, manage, and troubleshoot. Second, security. Subnets isolate groups of devices from each other, so if one subnet is compromised, the breach does not automatically spread to the rest of the network. Third, improved performance. On a network, broadcast messages are sent to every device. Smaller subnets mean smaller broadcast domains, which reduces unnecessary traffic and improves overall speed. To visualize the performance benefit, in a large flat network, a single broadcast message reaches every device. But with subnets, that broadcast is contained within each smaller group. So devices on other subnets are not affected. This is called reducing the broadcast domain. So to summarize everything, a LAN is your local private network, the devices inside your home or office. Within a LAN, you can create subnets, which are logical subdivisions separated by routers used for better management, security, and performance. And a WAN, like the internet, is the vast public network that interconnects all these LANs and subnets around the world. And that is the difference between a LAN, a WAN, and a subnet. Thank you for watching.